Hello guys, this is My Little Pony Girl Adventure. We're on episode 1. Oh whoops, wrong game, dayz. And I'm here with Max, who also has an account.
YouTube account. Woo!
Yeah.
Put the link in the description.
I will. And just got some starting off gear.
Is this your first YouTube video?
Yes.
Right.
Yes it is.
I'll show you the basics. Click, click.
Oh yeah.
Now, you have to shout at everyone who's listening at the moment.
Oh yeah.
Fuck you too, Timmy. Fuck you.
That's it. Because that's how you get people to watch your videos.
Well, they're watching right now.
Good
Yeah.
point. Good point.
Touche.
Yes, touche. Yeah, I'll add his YouTube account in the description so you guys can watch his. That's if there is many, which there probably won't be. We all know that. I'm not that popular.
Get like 10,000 subs, then you can come back and say that shit.
Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, become Riley, eh?
Yeah.
With his videos.
45 subs.
No, I'm planning to turn out like Dawny.
Oh yeah, with his 100 subs. Yeah, with his speed art.
It's pretty
Yeah,
good though.
Us YouTubers in Mackay, you see, we've got like really stiff competition, you know.
Yeah.
There's like this guy with 45 subs, there's me with my 11, there's some girl with like 20 subs, there's this other guy with 100 subs, and there's this kid with 10 mil.
Yeah, no, with my not even one sub.
I sub to you.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you sub to the one with a picture of a panda on it?
No, I sub to
Good.
the one that subbed to me.
Oh, I haven't subbed to you yet.
Oh, okay, there must be someone else called Panda.
Yeah, probably. So yeah, in this game they've added quite a bit.
Which dayz is it?
It is standalone.
Oh, any vehicles yet?
No.
One star.
1 star. What, just because there's no vehicles?
1 star.
Okay.
I'm only giving it a 1 because you can kill zombies in it.
What about the players?
They don't count.
Okay.
Holy
Oh,
shit.
when I tried to get it working, I
Where?
saw this guy like running down the road. I just ran up to him and punched him in the head, so I instantly knocked him out.
Why fish so OP?
I know,
Holy shit. Head boy now has 52 subs.
Does
not
he?
40. Yes. Oh shit. He's gained like 8 subs.
Oh shit, son.
Alright.
Well, do you know what they've been doing? They've been posting it all over Facebook, like Headboy's
Oh, yeah.
trying to get like all his friends to post it on Facebook so he gets more. It works out good for him. Please. Yes, I
what
just
do you want me to do?
found some pristine handcuffs.
What can he do with them?
You can run up to people and handcuff them,
Oh.
which is my plan. Oh yes, a backpack. Finally, my second backpack. For the whole time I've played. What's this?
People in the comments are probably going like, where'd you learn to play? League of Legends school?
No, that was a good show. Nah, probably. I'm not the greatest at this game.
Yeah, but you're not like, how do you shoot?
Yeah, I know. Like when Stevens first joined.
Look. Is that a zombie or a human player?
Yeah, but that was a mod.
Okay, is it trying to eat you? Yes. It's a zombie.
Just add random stuff inside my backpack. Besides books. Oh, what's that? Blue track bands. Oh, terrible. On new shirt. As soon as I get a new shirt, I'll be happy. Yeah. Do you know, Max? On this, you have to press F to pick up stuff. Just
Really?
Yeah. It took me a little while to figure that out. Oh no, my gear's gonna start getting ruined. God damn it. I don't know what to do. It's raining, and on this, when it rains, your gear can get soaked, and then if you're outside for too long, they start breaking. Oh. My gear is starting to break. I heard the ripping sound. Unless there's someone tearing up their shirt. Pull that axe. Okay, let's do this. Any zombies? No zombies? No zombies. I've not found a zombie yet. As soon as I started recording, no zombies. And before that, I was just getting completely mauled. I don't even know where I am, even though I played the mod so much.
Yeah, but that was the mod.
The map's still the same, it's just like
Yeah, but it's the mod. Yeah, so it's the same.
Yeah, just a little bit bigger with like a couple new towns.
So it's not the same. What if you're near one of the new towns?
Yeah, I think I might be. Or one of the really old towns that are small. I've never ever found gear in this one house. I don't even think it spawns gear.
It's just for hiding in.
Yeah, totally.
Well, what if it is?
Yeah, maybe. Could be.
Because people are like, oh, no gear spawns there. What's the point of going in there? So you can hide.
Character looks pretty cool. He's in full green besides a blue backpack, a red and yellow axe, and a black helmet with some brown gloves.
Yeah, I'm pretty awesome.
So I got shirt and pants that are... Would your rating go up for this game if they added vehicles?
It would go to 11 stars.
Is that good? Or...
Yeah, of course, 11 out of 100. So, we go from 1 out of 100 to 11. It's an improvement. It's an improvement.
Yeah.
When they make it so you can have little armies like in Age of Empires and that, then it will be cool.
No, yeah.
Oh, they should make an Age of Empires version of dayz.
Oh.
Like that would be pretty awesome though. Like there's a mod for Age of Empires.
I'll bring it back when I get more subs so someone makes it.
Yeah, I will actually.
That's what I'll do when... Since most of my videos are probably going to be this and the mod. If I figure out how to fix it. Yes. I found a raincoat.
Rain, rain, go away. Won't you come another day?
I need some things that can fix your clothes.
Why is your clothes damaged?
I got a badly damaged backpack. I got pristine pants, pristine thing. Badly damaged wellings. And badly this. Does this work on those? Does it?
Ha! I'm currently making a Game Ranger account. It says, please select your closest cities. It's got Brisbane and Canberra from Australia. Then it's got Gunma, which is in USA. It's got Hobart, Melbourne, and Sydney. Then it's got Vladivostok, which is in Russia.
Yeah, obviously.
Vladivostok.
Racist?
Jesus.
There's a terror up there.
It was
Actually,
just...
I
Yeah.
am pretty sure I'm near the one of the airfields. Like not the one, not the main one, the other one. I can't remember. North. East. I'm pretty sure. I think. Terrible.
Wally, I'm gonna get Thorny to make you a YouTube.
Do you have him on
what-
Skype?
I don't know what's Skype now.
Damn it.
I can message him from YouTube, well, from Google Plus.
Yeah. When was his last video?
Yesterday,
Oh yeah. What was it about?
speed art,
Yeah, but what was the speed art about?
speed art.
Oh my god. Have you seen it?
No,
No.
it is speed art though. That's all. And
I
it
know
is. It's so funny how, like, during the speed art thing, he just opens up his own chat, Skype, and just starts talking to people. I'm like, yeah, people could just, like, like,
Ben
pause
kept
it.
on pausing it and like looking at his messages.
Yeah, it's so funny. It's so funny.
God damn it. I hate rain on this. It's so bad. I have literally no idea since the terrain's changed so much. Sound like someone's stomping around your room.
I'm not. I'm not stopping!
Okay. Come on, spawn me some military gear. I'm at the prison. Head torch. If this ever went nighttime, I'd probably grab that. A Nuka-Cola and some canned sardines, but I need something to open it. Maybe. Damn it. I was hoping I could use an arrow to open it. Hunting pants. Awesome, I got some hunting pants. You probably have no idea what I'm talking about since you don't have it yet.
Yeah, well, you know, it's pants. That's all I
Yeah.
know. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants.
A pristine shovel, but I have a badly damaged fire axe. Which
Buckle your pants.
I just found the biggest backpack in the game.
Buckle your pants.
Or one of the
Buckle.
biggest backpacks at least.
Buckle your
What I know of.
pants. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants.
Got it. A mountain backpack.
Oh my
And it's
god.
also
buckle your
green.
Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants.
Oh my god.
Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants.
A fishing hook. Can I stab people with it? I've also got a military beret, which I really don't want to wear.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm on this thing called Game Ranger. Have you heard of it?
No.
Okay, it's basically like really old games like Age of Empires 1 and 2 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and Borderlands 1 and heaps of old games, and you can go on there and you can play online with people using it. It's really good. And I'm looking at it and there's just so many random games. Like there's heaps of these people who are hosting Yu-Gi-Oh games, and there are people actually playing it. And there's so many Terraria ones on here for some reason.
A lot of people play Terraria, obviously. I got it, but I only play it when
Carl. Yeah.
Carl, is over.
There's so many FIFA. There's FIFA 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 on here. It's insane.
7-Eleven.
Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants.
Oh my god.
It's all fun, folks. Buckle your pants.
Funny whenever my video got flagged for it.
Buckle your what? Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Come on, guys. It's fun. You can all do it. Buckle your pants.
God damn it. I need to find some stuff like a screwdriver, maybe. Because with screwdrivers you can open up.
So you can buckle your pants?
Yes, I can buckle my pants.
Buckle your pants. Buckle.
You should have like a video called Average Life with Noobs and then be like, have Beto there.
Doing what?
I don't know.
No, don't be mean about.
A grey hoodie.
How long's this thing been going for?
But I have no idea. There's no way of me checking.
Can't you tab?
Yeah, I can, but that's effort. Oh.
I got shit to do.
Yeah, you
I got my
go.
own Let's Play.
As soon as you go, I'll probably post the video.
Buckle your pants. Well, people listening to this? Is it
Yes,
still on fraps? Alright, well, the Scott call's been going for 19 minutes, so, yeah.
So do you want to end it here?
Alright, that's the end of episode 1 of Buckle Your Pants.
That's it.
Woo!